All right, did your furnace wake you up at 4:30 in the morning? Well, I'll tell you why. This is an inducer motor, which goes into that place right there. That builds up pressure and then turns the burners on. If that doesn't create enough pressure, your furnace will not fire up. The bearing in this motor goes bad. I don't know if you can tell or not, but super crunchy. Oh, luckily I had a new one sitting on the shelf because I heard it going bad. This is nice and smooth. So, problem with these old ones is they don't sell the cages anymore. So we'll have to cut this wheel off in order to save this cage. So you also need to track down a new wheel because this is one piece. So we're going to cut that next. This part you want to be patient with. You make a couple cuts in the old fan, peel it back so you don't bend the bracketry. That's what you'll need to reuse. Alright, now that we got the old mangled cage off, we can slip this bracketry off that we need. So this is 2 bolts right here, 2 little machine screws. Should lift right off. Access these 2, and that'll release the motor off of the cage that we need. So there's the old unit, old cage. It's a little hot. But as you can see, this thing does not spin freely. Totally locked up. So, just reassemble and then put it back together. Alright, so that is the new motor, an old cage, and new fan. So, just gotta put it back in. And as you can see, you want to line up the key with the flat side of the shaft. Otherwise, you risk this thing coming loose on you. Yeah, the new one is silent. Look at that. Alright, let's see how it fires up. So that's basically it. If the burners are cutting on and off, it could be a dirty flame sensor, but if the thing is screeching and it's not letting the burners fire up, or they fire up for a second then turn off, that's going to be your inducer motor. So, job fixed. I think it's only 6:30 a.m. So, back to sleep.